Let's go! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Alright, now check it. If you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style, or the best ways to lace them up, or of course any other sneaker related content, and you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
Batter up, lyrics and home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burn it through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
Without any hesitation, you already know what y'all here for. Today I got a very great video for y'all. I'm mad hyped for this shoe. I took an L on it when it released last year. Now normally when I take L's, I take that L in silence. I really don't care. It's just, I don't care, but I'll admire the shoe from afar. I'll be like, you know, one day I'm gonna go ahead and get it. But this one came back around. And I was honestly devastated about that L. I wasn't paying resale prices because they were just shooting up, and I'm like, I'm not paying that. But the package has arrived straight from Nike, and honestly, I just wanted to kind of do like an unboxing, get the live reaction, because like I said, this is one of them shoes that I missed out on last year that I was really salty about, and yeah, I just, whoo, oh man, I just want to open it. Yeah, this is gonna be like a unboxing with a live reaction slash like a somewhat, not really a whole-on review, but it will open. Yeah, it will be like a somewhat a review. I'm gonna definitely throw in the on feet, and of course the, what's it called? Yeah, my thoughts and what I think of the shoe. Now I'm gonna let you know now. When I went to Impossible Kicks, I did see that they had this shoe. But I didn't want to touch it because my order was on the way. I was like, I'm gonna just wait till I get the shoe in hand to touch it and whatnot. And also, I have seen it in person a few times when people had them on, but you know, it just didn't look right to me the way they had them laced up. It didn't fit my personal style, so I'm looking at the shoe. I'm like, okay, that could be laced up a little better, or that could be like the person's shirt could have been black instead of the like some kind of neon green. But yeah, regardless, so hyped for the shoe. I'll see what this is. Jordan box, of course. Jordan brand, my favorite sneaker company ever. Toss this over to the side. I don't even know where to put this. Whew. Yo, I can't do it. Oh man. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Woo! Oh! 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 Okay. All right. Yes. Whoo! Oh, these joints feel nice. Yes, y'all see what we rocking with. Oh man. Throw the box aside because I really don't care about the box right now. But yes, y'all see what we got. Finally got them. I was so salty I took this L last year. As you can see, if you don't, for all those who don't know, these are the Air Jordan 5. What the so hyped to finally have these, dog. I have so many ideas to do with the laces on these shoes. I can finally stop imagining what outfits I will put with these and actually get to it. All the different details on the shoe from a bunch of different Air Jordan 5s. And it's like, this is honestly what a Wutta should look like. The Wutta is the only exception for a crazy shoe that I won't mind rocking whatsoever. Cause like, it's supposed to be crazy. It's like, if you're gonna go crazy, go all out. They threw in rare Jordan colorways, mixed it with some GRs, along with some legendary colorways that weren't an OG, and they just killed it. Honestly, this is crazy. It's really beautiful outside right now. I'm about to just go ahead, lace these up, start recording the on feed, and then we'll get back for more thoughts and like somewhat of a review.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
One word away from being higher than the atmosphere. No man but God, and that's barely. Loyal to the fame and to the money whom I married. I rap like Bruce Fight, it's hard to compare me. I might be too nice for y'all to act scary. I'm very sure I'm more than you can fathom. I spit acid, all the shit that you can't imagine. Pen and pad and paper darkening from the ashes of raw classes. Class act but full of madness. I heard the early bird gets the worm, and all the feathers he could ever earn. Cheddar cheese is what I must collect, and word that I'll die for my respect. Never been a sucker, Google that, that's a fact. Earth would be detached before I dash from the scrap. The plug hit me back, I can finally relax. The pack's on the road, Aaron Rodgers.
I can finally relax from the thorax in the capsule. Told I need some space.
It's me, I'm a local to dawn. Giving you bars and you ain't getting born. Locked in a cell in your mind, I've been here for some time, man, it's crazy, we don't get along. I see the way you be plotting this shit. It's all in your eyes when you pocket the grin. One thing that I know, you best running that store, you take everything green and you pop them and dip. To tell you the truth, you're an opportunist. If you think you can, then you gotta do it. Pull up on the brakes and rocket through it. At the end of the day, this is riding music. I'm the man, not your man, baby, don't confuse it. And I don't give a damn about a humble movement. I'm just talking my shit cause I'm going through it. I don't bug, I don't hear, I'ma fucking lose it. Ask if I sign, I'ma tell them like 10 million. If not, don't ask me again. I never charge for a verse, but a cost for a hearse, so I might as well profit the pit. You stuck in a cycle of gassing your friends, not smoking them out, but you lying to them. Me and my brothers were keeping 100 ball working. If not, then I'm checking they chin. Hello, it's me, I'm a local to dawn. From 9-6 bitch, got your bitch throwing thongs. Don't plan on loving again till I'm on.
And the colorway that it reads on the box really doesn't do the shoes justice, so I'm gonna just break it down for y'all. Every single Jordan 5 colorway that is in these shoes. This entire red suede upper comes from my favorite Jordan 5, or honestly one of my favorite Jordans ever, the red suede Raging Bull 5s. This little stamp right here is from the Shanghai 5s, which is a very limited shoe, or like a very rare shoe. There's no way you're gonna find those on a daily basis unless you look them up or you go to a sneaker event. You're never gonna see those in your life. And the tongue is from the Green Bean Jordan 5s. The sock liner of the shoe is from the OG Bel Air 5s. And of course the insole is just plain black because why does it matter? You're gonna put your foot in here anyways, nothing's gonna show. And the midsole and bottom of the shoe is from the K54s or Quai 54s. And the sole, like, this is fire. And now for the right shoe, a lot of y'all already do know what this colorway is. And for all those who don't know, this is the Tokyo 5s. Another extremely rare shoe, and for anybody that doesn't know, this symbol right here is actually the number 23. But yes, the Tokyo 5 is another super rare shoe. And of course the sock liner for this shoe is from the Laser Orange 5s. The tongue is from the Olive 5s. Honestly, they gotta bring the Olive 5s back out. That shoe is fire. And the midsole and sole of the shoe is from the Bel Air 5 2.0s. This is my sister's pair, so y'all can see where it came from. And now I will say, I'm kind of confused when it comes to these shoes, because like the materials, like on the Raging Bulls, you got that nice rugged suede, but then on the Tokyo 5s, you got that nice smooth matted suede. So it's like, you got some different vibes on these for real, but they are hard. They're fire. In my opinion, that's what you're supposed to do with a Woodley. You're supposed to get that crazy vibe from them. You're supposed to, you know, like they look fire, but at the same time, you're kind of like, maybe they did a little too much with this part, but at the same time, you look back at it like, nah, that's actually kind of hard. I like how they did that. Then you look at the other shoe and you're just like, I kind of don't like the midsole, but at the same time, it kind of pops though, and it actually does look better when it's on feet. So it's like this, whoo! Oh man, this shoe is fire. And then of course, nothing special on the back. You just got your typical Jumpman. Even though I love this setup, I'm gonna have to sort of rearrange it because these need to be on display. Like for real, these need to be on display. These go too crazy to just be sitting in the box or just sitting in any regular container. They gotta do these justice. Now, I completely forgot to mention the most important part of how I even obtain these for retail. If you weren't aware, then on Michael Jordan's birthday, there was a second chance Nike sneakers app drop, and it was random. It was like kind of a shock drop. Actually, not kind of, it was. If you didn't know, then you didn't know. It just popped up out of nowhere at 11 a.m. I was on Twitter, and then I seen it on Soul Links. Of course, I went to my app. I went to the app, I was scrolling, and then I seen all the shoes that popped up. You had like the Jubilee 11s, you had the Fire Red 4s. I don't know, it was some other shoes, but I didn't care. I was looking at these, and now at first, you weren't able to purchase the shoe when it did pop up. Instead of the purchase button popping up, it said coming soon. I went back to scroll up to the 5s, and instead of saying coming soon, it popped up to the retail price. I didn't have to think twice about it. As soon as the price popped up, I was ready to go. Y'all get the gist. I love these shoes. Grateful to have it in the collection. Thank everybody for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We're on that road to 5K. Comment down below what you think of the 5s. And yeah, hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe and see you next time.
Hello, it's me, I'm the local to dawn. Giving you bars and you ain't getting born. Locked in a cell in your mind, I've been here for some time, man, it's crazy, we don't get along. I see the way you be plotting this shit, it's all